So now we're moving back to where we started in 7.1, which is the normal distribution. Not the standard normal distribution, just any normal distribution. So the way we're going to find the area / probability under any normal curve is we're going to draw a normal curve. And I didn't say this before, but I'd like to say it now. You want to draw the curves by hand. If you're just sitting there working, even if you're an online student, you want to draw a picture for yourself on a piece of paper so you can get some kind of glimpse of what you're doing. Because if you don't have a picture of what your answer should be in your head, then when you get a number spit out by Excel, you won't have any gauge of whether that's right or wrong. So what I've done here is I've drawn the pictures for both of these problems for you. Again, using my lovely advanced grapher software, which of course you could find, but then you'd have to figure out how to draw a normal curve in it. So don't sweat the small stuff. Just kind of take a look at it. Now notice this one has a mean of 20, because it says the mu is 20. Standard deviation of 2. See how it goes 22, 24, and so on. And over here there's a little mark, and I don't know if you can see it, for where 25 is. Right there, 25. And I want to find the area, the probability that x is less than 25. Maybe it'd be better if I showed you the graph here. There you go. Now you can see it more clearly. Oops, except my recording device is in the way. Move over. There it is. See? So I want 25 or less than 25. Well, the way to do that is, here, let me write this down. 1a. Okay, I want the area / probability of x less than 25. Okay, so I'm going to find norm. Now again, it's dot dist for mine because I have Excel 2010, or just regular norm dist with no dot in it for older versions. My x is 25. My mean was 20. My standard deviation was 2. We will always say true for cumulative. Done. There you go. So this particular answer is 0.9938. All right, now what about the next one? I want the area in between. Okay, well, we ran into this before, but I'll do it again. So I'm going to have to find the area to the left of 200. Then I'm going to find the area to the left of 165. Right? So area to the left of 200 equals norm dist, or norm dot dist for me, 200, comma, well, the mean was 180, standard deviation was 12, true. Now I'll do it all again. Matter of fact, I'm just going to drag it down there. And I'm just going to change the 200 to a 180. I mean, I could type it all in somewhere too. I mean, just keep in mind. Oh, not 180. I'm a moron. 165. Oh, Excel is going to be possessed here for a second. All right, there it goes. And then, if this is the area to the left of 200, that means all this shaded area here plus all this left tail area over here. And then what I found in this one, area to the left of 165, is this little white area right here. So the shaded area is going to be between 165 and 200. That'll be the difference of this number minus this number. Now, of course, just to be clear, you can make cell references for all of this. Like you could type in the mean and the standard deviation somewhere and then have it constantly referring back to those values in these Excel formulas here. I'm just trying to do this very quickly, quick and dirty, as it would be something you would do maybe on a test. All right, so that's that particular one. I'm going to have to come back and show you this stuff for the GRE scores. I'll have to draw those pictures first.